After a long, cold winter here in Maryland, spring has finally arrived. The robins are busy gathering worms for their nestlings, and the first spring migrants are starting to arrive. The robins first appeared about 2 weeks ago, returning from their southern wintering locations. We always have a few robins that stick around for the winter, but most of them head south in the fall. At every body of water that has cattails, male red-winged blackbirds are staking out and claiming their territories. They'll stay around the ponds until the middle of summer, when the nestlings will fledge and they'll depart. This is a female red-winged blackbird. The males will have the bright red color to help attract the females, but the females will have to stay brown and streaky so that they can better be camouflaged when sitting on the nest. In a nearby weeping willow tree, a red-bellied woodpecker makes its nest. Woodpeckers will dig their nests into decaying trees, where they will guard it from starlings, squirrels, and all other nest predators. These holes will later be used by bluebirds, swallows, and even screech owls. Also in the weeping willow, a common grackle hangs out looking for a bite to eat. The loud calls of the red-winged blackbirds are a sure sign that spring is here. Away from the pond, a flock of chipping sparrows looks for something to eat on the ground. Chipping sparrows are one of the smallest species of the sparrows, which are already small birds to begin with. They'll arrive in the springtime and leave as the days start to get colder in the fall. If you've ever had a bird build a nest in a wreath in your door, it was probably this guy, the house finch. A beautiful red head and gray streaked body. It is a cute little bird to see. Just like the red-winged blackbirds, the females are much duller, lacking that red color. This bird was not one that I expected to see today. This female pileated woodpecker was looking for food on the ground and near these pine trees. Pileated woodpeckers are a rare bird to see in neighborhoods, as they only tend to live in deep woods areas with big trees for them to peck on. It's always a treat to get to see one of these magnificent woodpeckers. High up above in the canopy, this blue-headed vireo looks for caterpillars and other insects to eat. This male bluebird hanging out on top of a house is also looking for something to eat up there too. and a gray catbird joins them in the feast. I hope you enjoyed this brief look into the birds of spring.